Hello there, soul friends. Thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for your weekly throat chakra reading. This is for anyone that wants to tune in. If you want a personal reading, just look below. There's a link to my website where you can easily book one. They are very affordable right now. And I would love to do one for you. So thanks in advance for the opportunity should you desire to book. Now, this is going to be an intuitive reading. Our center card is for the throat chakra itself. The one on the left is a message coming from the Earth Star chakra. And the one on the right is from the Universal chakra. So these outer energies are coming in to really assist and help us evolve this more mundane chakra that we have. I just need to take a moment to look at what wants to come through here. I feel like life is moving very quickly for you. So, being that this is in your communication sector, you may be experiencing a sense of communication that feels like it's really not stopping. It's just going and going and going. So this may be career related for you. It may just be, just part of your life if you're not in a phase of your life where you have a career. It could be activities that you're involved with, family, friends, community stuff. But there definitely feels like things are in motion, and that there's a sense of that it's not about getting where you're going, but creating this sense of perpetual motion where things don't feel like they're sucking your energy, but once you get it going, that it just knows how to rotate on its own. It doesn't really need to be fed. So you may also be bringing projects to that point where they are more self-sustaining and are just able to kind of work on their own rather than you in that sort of building and creating and really getting everything in place phase for them. It feels really good, whatever is going on here. It feels very positive and refined, and that it's smooth and there's really no kinks in the process. So I would enjoy this energy while it lasts, for sure. Now, I am getting a sense that there is, maybe you're doing something that feels a little bit more unique compared to what's been done before, or bringing in an energy that renews something more historical, an older energy, an older concept that maybe has been forgotten, that you're using alongside these other more tried and true methodologies that have a lot of standing in our reality. Again, this could be heavily involved in career, or the how you are exchanging things in a monetary way. It seems like the peace is a big part of this, as in P-E-A-C-E. There's a certain calm that having everything in its place is allowing you to then integrate what you're doing, kind of like with the big boys type of vibe here, where you can have a really strong, solid foundation and presence because you have created something that is very stable and very self-sustaining, that it can be interjected into some sort of environment that normally may feel a little bit intimidating, and where you would feel maybe out of place. You are fine with being different because you still feel your inner strength coming through, regardless of the difference that you may have in comparison to other people or things around you. I also see that in part, even though I'm getting this, like this is something that you've been working on outside of yourself, that there's also been a level of self transformation, both energetically and even physically, that you have been involved with as you've been creating this, we'll just call it a project maybe. And this has helped bring a sense of order to yourself. It's probably going to give you more structure in your day-to-day reality, a sense of there's a purpose and things to do that require certain segments of time and how they all kind of fit together. Yet there's this perseverance of your authenticness still. Like you're not intimidated, you're not sacrificing who you really are, your personal identity, which is authentic, to conform to something. So it's very beautiful, this way that you're building yourself, and it feels like you're nearly like enlightened by this too. There's something that it feels like you have a leadership quality, that you're bringing a lot of energy and light and resources and inner knowing and strength to something. So I don't know if anyone will really identify with this, but it just feels like you've really completed a certain phase and you're on to like the best part now of something. Okay, so let's end it there. Tomorrow we will be doing the third eye chakra, so I really hope that you'll join again for that as well. Until then, take care.